I used to wake up early. I used to sleep late. I used to ride a bike. I used to walk to school. I used to help my mom. I used to help my dad. I used to like milk. I used to drink juice. I used to eat candy. I used to eat apples. I used to play football. I used to play cricket. I used to visit Grandma. I used to visit my uncle. I used to read stories. I used to draw pictures. I used to color books. I used to write letters. I used to watch cartoons. I used to laugh loudly. I used to smile a lot. I used to cry easily. I used to feel shy. I used to feel brave. I used to run fast. I used to jump high. I used to play outside. I used to sit quietly. I used to listen carefully. I used to ask questions. I used to wake my brother. I used to tease my sister. I used to share snacks. I used to save money. I used to collect stones. I used to count stars. I used to look at clouds. I used to chase butterflies. I used to water plants. I used to feed birds. I used to clean my room. I used to make my bed. I used to wash my hands. I used to brush daily. I used to eat breakfast. I used to skip lunch. I used to finish homework. I used to study hard. I used to forget books. I used to carry bags. I used to open windows. I used to close doors. I used to sit on floor. I used to stand in line. I used to wait patiently. I used to talk loudly. I used to whisper secrets. I used to tell stories. I used to ask for help. I used to say sorry. I used to say thanks. I used to greet elders. I used to respect teachers. I used to follow rules. I used to break rules. I used to learn fast. I used to make mistakes. I used to try again. I used to give gifts. I used to receive gifts. I used to celebrate birthdays. I used to enjoy holidays. I used to travel often. I used to stay home. I used to miss friends. I used to make friends. I used to trust easily. I used to dream big. I used to feel happy. I used to feel sad.